Hi everyone and welcome to MathSux. This video is going to help you pass the Algebra 2 Common Core Regents. So we're doing this one question at a time. Here is question number 4. Susan won $2,000 and invested it into an account with an annual interest rate of 3.2%. If her investment were compounded monthly, so we're going to be compounding monthly, which expression has best represents the value of her investment after t years? So right away we want to think the compound interest formula. So here's the compound interest formula. It is a equals p times 1 plus r over n to the nt. So just to break down what each of these represents, p is our principal, and it is always the amount that you first start with. So she won $2,000, so that's like the initial amount, that's the principal. And then r over n is just the interest rate, which they give us is 3.2%. So just converting that to decimals, 0.032, and then n is the number of times it's compounded, which is monthly. So within 1 year there's 12 months, so it's going to be compounded 12 times within a year. And then t is just the number of periods that we have, number of time periods, which we don't know. So to fill in our formula with all our information, we have 2,000 times 1 plus 0.032 over 12 to the 12t. So once we calculate this little part, you can plug this into your calculator. 1 plus 0.032 over 12, using the right parentheses and everything. You end up with a equals 2,000 times 1.003 raised to the 12t, which is choice 1. Need more practice? Check out MathSux.org for more questions. Link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Happy calculating!